The Great Wall of China, a wonder of ancient engineering. The Great Wall of China is a long wall that stretches across northern China. Here are some amazing things to know about it. Big and strong. The Great Wall is one of the longest walls ever built. It's made of stone, brick, and packed earth and stretches over 13,000 miles. Ancient protection. The Great Wall was built over 2,000 years ago to protect China from invaders. It has watchtowers and fortresses along its length, where soldiers could keep watch for enemies. Incredible construction! Building the Great Wall was a massive project that took many years and lots of workers. Some parts of the wall were built by hand, while others used carts and pulleys to move heavy stones. World Wonder. The Great Wall of China is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's a symbol of China's long history and is visited by millions of people from all over the world every year. The Great Wall of China is a marvel of ancient engineering and a testament to the ingenuity of the people who built it. It's a treasure that reminds us of the rich history and culture of China.